Let's talk about setting note locations. So as you can see here, we have this particular note that's kind of here. And we can actually come in and programmatically adjust those if we want to. So we can say note, draw set location. And this is really straightforward. So you just need to know the drawing you want to do this on. And this can also be something that is in session. It doesn't have to be active. The note name. So let's put in paint note in this particular case, and the new location where we want it to go. So in this case, let's do like 4.5 comma 2. And then we also, of course, because we're making a change, want to regenerate the active drawing in this particular case. So let's go ahead and press the do it button, and you'll notice that it had moved there. Let's go back and slide this back to maybe 2.5, 2. So this will be a horizontal slide back this direction. If we run that, you'll notice that did in fact work. This is a very powerful capability, especially if you want to tie it together with other functions. So if you wanted to do, for example, a note get and then a set, you could do that very easily with this tool. But you have to pay attention to the workflow a little bit here to make sure you don't step on yourself. One of the nice things also is that you can do a table note set create, and this is a more advanced function within Nitro-CELL, but it'll also allow you to use an Excel table to kind of perform these operations. So if you wanted to run a report of all of the notes on a drawing and then subfilter them for the type or whatever, and then look at the locations using Power Query or something like that to come up with a new table that you wanted to send this data to, this note set create with the table option is very, very powerful. It's a good alternative versus the manual kind of note by note manipulation that you would have to do otherwise.